Okay, here are a few more central air conditioning units at a commercial building in Bettendorf. Here's a Goodman unit. Currently not running. And I'm not exactly sure what year that is. Probably from the early 2000s, if I had to guess. That's a Goodman reciprocating compressor. And then right here, here's a GE unit. Nice, this is a GE unit. I think this is my first time filming one of these in person. Nice. This might actually be a 80s unit, possibly. And I'm not sure. I think the data's back here. I think it is. Might be worn off, possibly. Has a Climatuff reciprocating compressor, I think. Yeah, I think the data for this unit is gone, possibly. So I don't know what year or ton it is, but it's probably from the 80s if I had to guess. Yeah, this is my first time filming one of these in person. And then here's a Amana unit. Not running. And there's data for that. But yeah, these are located at the same commercial complex I just filmed. There are those Lux Air and Bright units I just filmed. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.